The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now there is reports of an attempted robbery that had happened at a place that is known as Darlington Drive, that's in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, and as a result of this attempted robbery, one man is dead. Alright, it is said that this incident had happened on the 1st of September 2019, right, and it's said to have happened Sunday the 1st of September 2019 at around 2 p.m. Now, it is said that on that day, 3 armed gunmen went to rob patrons that was in a bar when they were challenged by a licensed firearm holder. It is said that as a result of the licensed firearm holder challenged these 3 gunmen, one of the 3 gunmen was killed. It is said that this man that died is 18 years old and goes by the nickname of Bomb. Right? Now viewers and subscribers, you know me, Dancehall Skilla, keep you up to date and posted, and I have a video that I'm going to show you right about now of the incident to let you have a better understanding of how it was or what it looked like at the scene. But remember now, it's a very short piece of video, and as I present this video to you, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, just let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Observe.
People around having money, you know. Disgrace. I love me can wish for that the dada come and pass me.
Dada live up.
How was me? I went I never remember.
Right, I do hang out.